English together.
Conversation 1.
How was your trip?
It was amazing, but also tiring.
Really? Why was it tiring?
The journey was long and boring. I felt very tired on the bus.
Oh no. But was the city interesting?
Yes, it was very interesting. The buildings were beautiful.
That sounds exciting.
It was. I felt excited every day.
Did anything surprising happen?
Yes, I met an old friend. I was so surprised and happy.
That's wonderful.
Conversation 2.
How was your first day at the gym?
It was exciting, but also tiring.
Really? Was it difficult?
Yes, the exercises were challenging. I felt very tired after them.
That sounds exhausting.
It was, but the trainer was very encouraging.
That's good. How about the boxing class? Was it interesting?
Yes, it was interesting.
Are you excited to go again?
Yes, I am excited, but I feel a little worried.
Why?
My body is hurting today.
That's normal. After some rest, you will feel relaxed again.
Conversation 3.
Hey, Alex, you look excited. What happened?
I am excited. I started a new English class.
Really? Is it interesting?
Yes, it is very interesting. The teacher is funny.
That's great. I feel bored in my math class, and I feel worried before tests.
That's understandable. Tests are stressful.
Yes, last week I was so stressed and tired.
I understand. When I feel tired, I watch something relaxing.
That's a good idea.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.